Hello, and welcome back to another episode in the Rollerball tutorial series. In our previous episode, we added audio to make the game more immersive. In this video, we'll quickly create the remaining menu UI, a simple pause menu, main menu, and game over menu. With these in place, we'll be ready to focus on managing the game state in our next video. As you can see, we've already designed the in-game menu that displays the player's score and the collected coins. We also have a pause menu positioned in the top left corner of the screen. To get started, we'll quickly copy the in-game menu, paste it, and rename it as the pause menu. Make sure to place it under the canvas and tidy up the hierarchy for better organization. Once that's done, go ahead and hide the original in-game menu so we can focus on setting up the pause menu. First, let's move the pause icon to the center of the screen and change its icon to a play symbol. Feel free to customize its color and increase its size to make it more eye-catching. Currently, it's hard to tell whether we're in the menu or actively playing the game since everything looks like it's on the same screen. To fix this, let's quickly add a UI panel. Make sure the panel is placed behind the other UI elements in the hierarchy. Scale it up to roughly fit the entire screen. Then adjust its color and alpha value to give it a subtle overlay effect, making it clear that the game is in a paused state. Next, let's remove any unnecessary text and add a title to the pause menu, placing it at the center of the screen for better visibility. In Unity, you can change the font of TextMesh Pro text by creating a font atlas for your custom font. Here's how. Create a folder to store your font assets. Then import your custom font into the project. Go to the Window menu, select Font Asset Creator under TextMesh Pro. In the Font Asset Creator, choose your imported font from the Source Font field and click Generate Font Atlas. Once the font atlas is generated, save the assets to your designated font folder. In this video, we're keeping it simple and won't dive into creating complex TextMesh Pro assets. For now, you can close the Font Asset Creator. Once that's done, apply the custom font asset to your pause menu text. Great! You now have the flexibility to use any font in your project, which significantly enhances the overall look and feel of your game. Remember, feel free to experiment and customize the design until it works perfectly for your vision. Now, let's create a main menu. Since it will be similar to the pause menu, we'll duplicate it by copying and pasting it, then renaming it to main menu. Next, rename the resume button to play and update the title with your game's name. You can also customize the menu further by adding images or other decorative elements. However, in this video, we'll keep it simple to stay focused on our main goal for next video to set up the game state and learning how to transition between different states. Finally, let's create the game over menu. This menu will include 3 buttons: Add Life, Main Menu, and Restart. Start by importing the necessary icons. As always, set the texture type of these images to Sprite and hit Apply. For the Add Life button, replace the play icon with a heart icon and customize its color to make it visually appealing. This button will allow the player to get an extra chance after watching an advertisement. Don't forget to rename it to Add Life button. In an upcoming episode, we'll learn how to integrate ads into the game, which can help generate a small revenue stream. Next, let's create the Restart button by duplicating the Add Life button. Change its icon and adjust its color. A tip here: if you want to customize colors in Unity, it's best to use a white icon, as pre-colored icons may not work as expected. For this button, use a dim color so that the Add Life button stands out more. Decrease the icon size as well, and rename it to Restart button. Now, add another button for returning to the main menu. Adjust its color, size, and position to fit the layout better. To display the player's current score on the Game Over menu, copy and paste the score text from your game UI. This can help the player decide whether to restart the game or use the Add Life option. Rename the title to Score. Finally, add a small text message below the Add Life icon to provide context for the button. For example, you can say something like, "Watch an ad to continue." In our next video, we'll dive into creating the game state system, learning how to transition between different states and display the appropriate menu based on the current state of the game. How are you all doing so far? Are you excited for the next episode? You should feel proud of everything you've accomplished up to this point. Adding audio in previous video and menus in this video is a significant step toward building a professional and immersive game. If you run into any issues or have questions, don't hesitate to leave a comment below. I'd love to help. And remember to like, share, and subscribe for more tutorials. Your support means the world to me. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Happy coding!